Hello everyone, this is Raymond Freeman and we are out on CapCut's website today to do a video on how you can take your script and make a video with a narrator included. It's pretty simple, a little time consuming, but not bad. So what we're going to do is we're going to go out here to the free AI video maker. We're going to click on that link there. It's going to load up and we're going to do an instant AI video. So let's get started there. Now, this is your style. We're going to go with biblical. And we're going to take our text exactly how it was given to me today. Or not today, last night actually. But we're going to paste it in here. And we're going to actually leave it as is. It was actually created for a post on Facebook, and someone wanted me to make a reel out of it. So that's what we're going to do today. But we're going to show the importance of editing your text here as well. So we're going to go ahead and create this as is with the script, with the the lines in it, the numbers, the asterisk marks and all that, and show you why you should always clean up your text before making your video. So let's give this a little bit of time and generate, and we'll be right back. All right, now it has generated what came of our text without it being cleaned up. You'll notice it has the lines here. It has a extra image with that. Let's go ahead and play it and show you
Question.
what we're talking about.
Why should we thank God for every breath we take?
See, it has this image, and this is what the image was created for, this little line of text, which can be deleted. So let's go ahead and delete that, get it out of the way. Clicking on the line, see the three dots, delete. And this is not going to read correctly. But we're going to go ahead and delete this out of the way too, because we know it's going to come up. And this one. Now we'll leave this here and go back and read, or allow it to read what we have here.
Question. Why should we thank God for every breath we take? Answer. Giving thanks for every breath is a way to acknowledge.
See, now, I'm not sure if she intended this to be answer number one or a two-part answer. I'm not really sure. I didn't ask questions on that. But we're going to go ahead and clean up this text a little more. And we're going to regenerate this. So let me get my text cleaned up, and we'll regenerate and see what it comes up once I edit the text. Which you can also edit it here, actually. So we could do that. We'll go ahead and here we'll put answer number one. Leave that. Now we're going to regenerate this voiceover so it'll match the new text. It's regenerating here at 55%. It goes pretty quick. Now I've already edited a little bit on this. Let it finish. It's 99%. Come on, there we go. Now I've already cleaned up my text and I wanted to add question for today instead of just question. We got that. I want to take this emoji out, and this right here I want to put answer number 2. So I'm just copying and pasting from where I cleaned up my text. And we'll take this emoji out. Whoops. number 2. No, that should be all right. Okay. All right. Now, let's regenerate the whole thing with the clean text instead of editing and see what it comes up with. So let's go back. We're going to click on the free AI video maker once again. Click on the instant AI video. We're going to go for biblical for our style. And this is my script after I cleaned it up. We're going to go ahead and create now, because the AI wants to read and assign not videos, but images to the little underscores that were used to divide the text in a post. We don't need that when we're generating an AI generated video. We need good, clean text, and the numbers sometimes don't read the numbers correctly, so we need to put the number in text. Replace the number 2 with the word 2. So we're generating now, and we're going to see what it comes up with when it gets done. It's at 52%, so we'll, up there it went. It jumped right on in there from 52 to 100, I guess. Now it's going to be generating the images, and we can also change those if we want to. But you see, it's give different images for just answer number 1, because I dropped a line. It's a different block from this. Now let's see what it sounds like now.
Question for today: why should we thank God for every breath we take? Answer number 1: giving thanks for every breath is a way to acknowledge God as the source of life and to cultivate a spirit of gratitude. It is a reminder that even the simple act of breathing is a gift. Expressing thanks can strengthen one's faith and foster a positive outlook. It signifies life itself and the ongoing sustaining power of God. Answer number 2: thank God for every breath we take, because the ability to breathe is a gift from God, a constant reminder of His provision and presence in our lives. Genesis chapter 2 verse 7 describes God breathing life into Adam, highlighting the divine origin of our breath.
That image is okay. We're going to stay with that. Actually, it done really good with the images today. Now, what I want to do next is I want to take and put a narrator on here, which is also AI generated. So we're going to go over here to scenes, and we're going to get a narrator avatar. Let's see what we got here with AI generated. But we're going to go with trending, and we're going to pick out one here. You can also do a preview. Excuse me. Let's see. I don't know who we're going to go with today. Let's see what this one sounds like.
Hey, how are you today? Are you ready to create with CapCut? Press next and enter an audio prompt and see how I sound.
Let's see this one.
Hey, how are you today? Are you ready to create with CapCut? Press next and enter an audio prompt and see how I sound.
Hey, how are you today? Are you ready to create with CapCut? Press next and enter an audio prompt and see how I sound.
Hey, how are you today? Are you ready to create video with me? Press next and enter an audio prompt and see how I sound. Hey, how are you today? Are you ready to create with CapCut? Press next and enter an audio prompt and see how I sound.
There's a lot of different ones we could use.
Hey, how are you today? Are you ready to create with CapCut? Press next and enter an audio prompt and see how I sound.
Hey, how are you today? Are you ready to create with CapCut? Press next and enter an audio prompt and see how I sound.
Hey, how are you today? Are you ready to create with CapCut? Press next and enter an audio prompt and see how I sound.
Let's go ahead and go with this one. We're going to replace for all scenes. Regenerate voiceover for all scenes. The current voiceover will be replaced. So we're going to continue. Now this is going to overwrite the voiceover that we already created with our images. And it's going to put the avatar over here on our video. We're going to resize it to where it'll look like it's more of a, I guess, pre-recorded video, which is all generated with AI. So it's not something that you have to get a live streaming app or program and hook your cameras up to it and all this. Yeah, it's someone that's not real. It's not a picture of you. But when you do this type of video, just put in there that, you know, it is AI generated, so that people will know. You're not trying to trick them and say, "Oh, that's me. You know, I'm the guy with the headphones." No, it's not me. It's AI generated, and that's what we're here for, is to try to make things easier for our creators, content creators and stuff. So let's get this checked out here, see if it's done generating. Drinking me a little bit of coffee while I'm doing this. But yep, looks like everything's generated. Now I'm going to go up here, click on the guy, and I'm going to put him over in the right hand corner, since he's looking that away to the left there. Now let's see if he's still there in all the yep, he's there in all the different slots and all in the same spot. So now let's see what
Genesis chapter 2 verse 7 describes God breathing life into Adam, highlighting the divine origin of our breath.
Yeah, it's got a sort of accent, I guess you'd say. With that.
Question for today: why should we thank God for every breath we take?
It's not my subject.
Answer number 1. Giving thanks for every breath is a way to acknowledge God as the source of life and to cultivate a spirit of gratitude. It is a reminder that even the simple act of breathing is a gift, and expressing thanks.
So that's how we do our videos when we're getting our images with each block of text. We're entering in our script to create that, and then we're going back over here to scenes, and we're doing the narrator. We replace all scenes, so it overrides this voiceover that we already created and puts the narrator's voiceover. That's that simple. Now, if we wanted to put a logo on this image, on this video, there's possibly a way to do that with the CapCut and the AI. We're going to go into that next. All right, we're going to go ahead and move on. We went to our CapCut program. It's downloaded for free as well. It's on our computer, and we're going to import the video. We're going to add a logo to it. So let's import I don't want to favorite media assigned to your view your favorite media. I don't want to do all that. Let's see if we can just drag and drop it. All right, we've got the download folder opened over here. We're going to just try to drag it over, put it on the timeline. Let's try that. Well, there it went. Okay. Now we've got our video on the timeline, and I want to import a logo to put on here. So I'm going to go to my logo over here in my File Explorer. And I'm going to drag and drop my logo onto the timeline, hopefully. Yep, there it is. Now I'm going to stretch it out to the length of my video first and resize the logo. Put it over here in this corner. Maybe make it a little bit smaller. Maybe not that small. About that. That ought to be good. Now, let's see if it overlaps.
Question for today. Why should we thank God for every...
All right, let's make it a little bit smaller so that it won't get in the way of that text. Move it down.
breath we take? Answer number 1. Giving thanks for every breath is a way to acknowledge God as the source of life and
yeah, that's it. I mean, I'm going to try to go full screen here, or larger, should I say. It's outside my recording, but it shows the logo a lot better when it's in the full screen, not this preview screen. But that's how we can put our logo in, and you can get in, a little bit further by putting text in and such as that.